Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Dolphin and positioning your game ISO where you can find it. This prevents delays later. Next, choose between a real Wiimote over Bluetooth for authentic motion or the emulated Wiimote that maps pointer to your mouse. Once done, open Dolphin, go straight to the controller panel, and pick your Wiimote type. This initial selection determines how you'll map the pointer and whether you need additional drivers, so set it now to avoid redoing steps later. Now you configure the pointer itself. Open Controller then Wiimote and click Configure. If you chose emulation, map your mouse X/Y to the IR X/Y axis so the on-screen pointer follows mouse motion. If using a real Wiimote, confirm Bluetooth pairing and set the IR source. Once done, tweak sensitivity, dead zone, and smoothing until cursor movement feels natural, because improper settings cause jitter or sluggish response. Make sure to test in Dolphin's calibration screen and iterate. Small changes matter. Finally, launch your game and test the pointer across menus and gameplay to confirm accuracy. Save your controller profile so you don't repeat configuration, and export a backup for different PCs. If the pointer drifts, lags, or snaps, recalibrate immediately. Also make sure Dolphin runs at stable FPS and disable VSync if it introduces latency. As a key troubleshooting tip, switch to a paired real Wiimote when emulation fails. It often fixes drift and provides more consistent tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.